warriors, and horses galloping into eternity.
Mongolia's stories echo with freedom and strength.
Welcome, Mongolia!
In the ancient traditions of Mongolia, the act of asking for a bride was more than a simple union of two families. It was a ceremony of honor and respect. When the suitors first arrived, the girl's father would greet them with a smile and say, "The daughter I have cherished and raised with love cannot be given away so easily." This was not a rejection, but rather a reminder of his daughter's worth and the depth of a father's devotion. When the suitors returned the second time, with their intentions proven steadfast and their respect unwavering, the father's tone would soften. "Now I see your hearts are pure and your will is strong. With that, I can entrust my beloved daughter to your family." Thus, what began with gentle resistance would end in solemn acceptance, sealing not only a marriage, but the union of two souls and two lineages.
It is a game of grace and custom, a dance between duty and desire, and when she is finally caught, tradition is fulfilled, and the celebration begins. Then comes Naadam, the festival of strength, of speed, of skill, wrestling, archery, and horse racing. The three mainly games, Naadam, honoring the warriors of the past and the champions of today. Wrestling is considered the oldest and most honored of the Naadam Games. It dates back over 2,000 years with clear evidence of wrestling during the time of the Shanyu Empire. The tradition flourished under Genghis Khan, who used wrestling to train warriors and instill discipline and build physical and mental strength. Under the Mongol Empire, archery was the key battlefield skill. Mongol warriors were renowned for horseback archery, capable of shooting with extreme accuracy, even at full gallop. Unlike wrestling, both men and women participate in Mongolian archery, a symbol of equality and skill. Horses have been central to Mongolian life for over 4,000 years. Mongolia is sometimes called the land of the horse. During the era of Genghis Khan, horses were vital to military success. His empire was built on the speed and agility of the nomadic cavalry. Unlike most cultures, children aged 5 to 13 are the fighters, as they are light and well-trained from an early age. Today, Naadam is a time of pride, a time when a nation stands tall, wrapped in its colors, rich in its heritage, and unshaken in its spirit. It is not only about the strongest, but about remembering where we come from, and carrying it forward with pride, with strength, with unity. This is Mongolia, this is Naadam, and this is forever.